is finna be litty lit lit cause my cash baby's lit. Litty lit lit cause my hey litty lit lit cause my cash. Okay, but seriously. Well, this pretty much concludes this video. I want to thank everybody for watching. If you made it to the end of this video, you literally to go, and you might as well hit that subscribe button. Why? Because my cash baby's lit, I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you can be lit too. And also, do not forget to enter that giveaway, because it's going to be going on every single day. It's going to be a new winner every single day, so make sure you don't miss out on this. Yeah, and also, thumbs it up. Did I already say that? Thumbs it up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. And I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Okay? Okay.